Best ways to whiten teeth. Why teeth turn yellow? There are many factors to turn your teeth yellow, like genetics, medication, aging, smoking, red and white wine, lack of oral hygiene, sugary sweets, illness, condiments and soda and sports drinks. Strawberry scrub. Strawberries have a substantial amount of vitamin C, which is very helpful for whiter teeth. You will need to require few strawberries and baking soda. Make a paste of few strawberries and apply this paste on your teeth gently. Repeat this process for 2 times daily in few weeks. The yellow shade on your teeth will disappear in few weeks. You can use 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with pulp of strawberry, apply this mixture on your teeth and leave it for few minutes. To get rid of any residue, wash out your mouth and brush the teeth with toothpaste. Coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil has lauric acid, which is helpful to rid your teeth of bacteria, originate and plaque that turn your teeth yellow. It is also beneficial to keep your breath fresh and uphold gum health. You will need to require 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Take a 1 tablespoon of coconut oil before brush your teeth in the morning. Use softens coconut oil or just apply it in your mouth before brush the teeth. Then tug, swank and pull the coconut oil around the teeth approximately for 15 minutes and wash out your teeth with water and brush the teeth. By using orange peel continuously, yellow tinge gathered on your teeth will vanish. You will need to require orange peel. Swab orange peel over teeth before going to sleep in the night for few weeks. Orange peel has calcium and vitamin C, which will fight with bacteria during all night and help you out to get whitened teeth.